Hi friends, this is Vamsana. Coming straight into the video, Redgear launched a new gaming RGB keyboard in the budget segment. So the model name is Redgear MT02 keyboard. So this is how the packaging looks from the Amazon. The seller who packs like this is Aperio Retail Private Limited. Okay, so let's open the package and see how the product looks. So on opening the packaging box, the internal company package looks like this. On the sides, this is how it looks. Okay, this is how the side looks. On the top view, this is how it looks. Here they mention some of the important features that this keyboard is having. Okay, and turning into the back side, this is how it looks. The company's keyboard outlook and the features is here, and the technical specifications are here. Okay, so coming to the price, the MRP printed here is 1,999, but in inaugural offer the company is selling at very lowest price. The links are provided in the description, so check it out. If you like it, then buy the product from the links. Okay, let's open this package and see how internally it looks. Okay, the internal packaging looks like this. So we got extra changeable knob control, black one, and defaultly we get silver color. So let's open this one and see the final outlook. Guys, this is the final outlook of the product looks, which is pure black in color, with the classy line finishing internally. Okay, so one thing I don't like in this product is without RGB lights we can't able to see the alphabet clearly. Okay, so let's see the sound of the particular keys in this keyboard. Alphabets are a little different. Okay, so one of the important thing to be discussed in this particular product is this knob control, so which is able to change the RGB lights as well as the volume buttons. So once connected we get in clarity. Okay, so guys, this is how the front looks. On the back, this is how the product looks. Okay, on the bottom you get a non-slippery rubber finishing and inclined positional clamps here. Okay, which is useful for a few operators. Okay, so guys, let's get connected and check the final look of the product. This is my old keyboard. Let's get it changed. Hope you like the RGB lights in this keyboard. Let's come to the knob control. Okay, so friends, in this knob control you will get three options. If you adjust it, you will get three levels of brightness. Okay, so it's in RGB condition as default. If you press this one for one time, you will get media control volume button. Okay, so let's see here. Yet you will get a media control volume here, so that you can control the volume by this knob. Okay, so by this knob. Okay, so if you want to return back to the RGB, just press it again, this one, so that you can control the LED RGB lighting system again with this knob. Okay, so this is one of the best feature I like in this keyboard. So maybe this one is knob is better as compared to the some of the multimedia keyboards which is not available right now. Okay, so friends, overall and finally I love this product. Yeah, okay, so RGB keyboard with knob control at the best budget segment. This is one of the best keyboard I just researched so far. So don't think so much here, just buy it from the links from the description and get the one and get it attached to your laptop or computer and enjoy. Okay, so best product, best quality, great finishing, and finally the stunning look. Okay, so hope I explained all the things in this video. If I just forgot anything, you just keep it on the comment section, get it active. I will definitely give reply to everybody. And that's it regarding this video, guys. Catch you in the next video. Until take care, bye bye.